Finding the perfect 4K camera drone isn't easy. Some drones have shaky video, weak batteries, poor range, or complicated controls that ruin the flying experience. That's why choosing the right model matters. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best 4K camera drones of 2026. Powerful, portable, and packed with smart flight features for beginners and enthusiasts alike. We researched online specs and user feedback to build this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews.
Number 5. L600 Pro Max GPS Drone. The L600 Pro Max is a feature-packed 4K drone designed for smooth and stable aerial photography. It includes a dual camera system with a 3-axis gimbal that helps reduce shake and capture clearer footage during flight. GPS positioning improves stability and makes flying easier for beginners. With up to 5 km transmission range and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, it offers a safer and more advanced flying experience. Brushless motors provide quieter performance and better durability, making it great for outdoor adventures, travel videos, and cinematic shots.
Number 4. Potensic ATOM 2 Camera Drone. The Potensic ATOM 2 is one of the most advanced, lightweight drones available today. Weighing under 249 grams, it's compact and easy to carry almost anywhere. It records stunning 4K HDR video and captures ultra-detailed 8K photos with impressive color accuracy. The 3-axis gimbal delivers smooth cinematic footage, while AI night shot and AI tracking features make recording easier in different environments. With vertical shooting support and up to 10 km transmission range, this drone is perfect for creators, travelers, and social media content makers. Number 3. S156 Mini Drone 4K Mini Drone. The S156 Mini Drone is a compact and beginner-friendly quadcopter packed with useful smart features. It comes with a 4K HD camera and supports real-time FPV transmission through 2.4G Wi-Fi for immersive flying. Optical flow hovering helps maintain stable flight indoors and outdoors, making it easier for new pilots to control. The foldable design improves portability, while brushless motors offer smoother and more efficient performance. With its built-in display controller and lightweight body, this drone is excellent for casual flying, selfies, and travel recording.
Number 2. Lenovo V198GPS Drone. The Lenovo V198 GPS drone combines stylish design with powerful aerial capabilities. It supports 4K and even 8K video recording options for detailed footage and vibrant images. GPS positioning and laser obstacle avoidance improve flight accuracy and safety, especially during outdoor use. The foldable body makes transportation simple, while brushless motors enhance speed and stability. Optical flow positioning allows smoother hovering and better low-altitude control. Whether you want cinematic travel videos or fun recreational flying, this drone delivers strong performance in a portable package.
Number 1. XT606 MAX Drone. The XT606 MAX takes the top spot thanks to its impressive features, strong flight performance, and excellent value. It supports 4K and 8K HD video recording with smooth FPV transmission for immersive aerial footage. The included 360-degree obstacle avoidance system helps improve safety during flight, while the powerful brushless motors provide stable control even outdoors. This package includes 3 batteries for extended flying time, making it ideal for longer adventures and content creation. Compact, powerful, and beginner-friendly, the XT606 MAX is an outstanding all-around camera drone. If you want amazing aerial footage, stable flying, and smart camera features, these 4K drones are excellent choices. From beginner-friendly mini drones to advanced GPS quadcopters, each model offers great value and performance. Which drone is your favorite? Comment below,
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.